Hi, I'm Jeff from Parkdale Vacuum Center, your exclusive authorized beam dealer for the Hamilton area. What that means is that you won't find a beam system in a box or on a shelf in any home improvement store or big box store. You'll only find it here exclusively at Parkdale Vacuum. What I'm excited to talk to you today about is Beam's 60th anniversary special edition Alliance Central Vacuum System. Beam has come up with a special offer to celebrate this milestone. This is your opportunity to save up to $550 on the industry-leading Alliance vacuum system. I have never seen an offer like this before from Beam, and on top of that, they are throwing in a garage kit for a limited time at no extra charge. What I love about Beam is that they are constantly developing innovative features that all my customers want, such as the two-way communication between the handle and the information board, the revolutionary 3-in-1 cleaning tool that saves you hours of work, and the press and release bucket system that is so easy to use you can send your teenage son out to the garage and have him dump out the canister for you. Also, don't forget that here at Parkdale Vac we have our Try Before You Buy program, which gives everyone the opportunity to make the right choice. Listen, we take our customers' concerns very seriously. If there is ever an issue, we stock and service everything here at the store. We don't send out your unit and ask you to wait for 6 weeks. Now, I know you can buy a central vacuum system anywhere these days, but I want you to come to my store. I want you to buy your central vacuum from me. The reason why is I want to have the chance to help you out. My name's Jeff Anderson. I'm the owner of the award-winning Parkdale Vacuum Center in Hamilton. We've been serving customers for over 25 years.